My dear children, this is the continuation of join clause only. Here we are going to discuss about EQ join. That is the second category of joins. EQ join, the join in which columns are compared for equality, is called EQ join. A non-EQ join specifies condition with a non-equality operator. In EQ join, we put star in the select list. Therefore, the common column will appear twice in the output. To understand the output, let's take two tables. One for the employee. It contains the details with the department, and another for department contains the department details. My dear children, now we want to fetch details of employee along with its corresponding matching department. Like for alarm department, the column department is 10 for department num. That is 10. So from department table it should be shown department 10 details and so on. So my dear children, I am giving one of the example. Here we are having employee table with the department number. Employee table with the department number. This is the department number. Consider the next one. The department table with the department number along with the department details. Department details like D name and D head, that is department head. So consider how these two tables can be related together. Here I am taking an example of Akshay, whose employee number is 8, name is Akshay, who is working in department number 20 and getting the salary of 30,700. So, how to know the department details of Akshay? We need to refer 20 value in the department. So, we need to refer 20, that is department number 20 in department column. So, what are all the details we are getting? 20 is the department number. Department name is nothing but HR and whose head is Ankit. So, now we want to fetch all the details of employee along with its corresponding matching department details. So, how to do that? My dear children, look at the query given. Select a star from employee, department, where emp.department no equal to dept.department no. My dear children, in the previous example, we are having common column in both of the table. Here, we used a department number as a common column. In DEPT also we are having a common column called DEPT NO. So, DEPT NO is common for both the tables. So, we need to select the common column for both tables and we need to check the equality. So, what happens? It will show the department common column appears in twice in your output. We can also reduce it. Here I had given select star. That's why it's fetching 2 times. So, here we are getting each employee department along with the department details. We can also give table alias, that is the nickname for table name, and further we can use this name anywhere in the query in place of table name. Sometimes we will have table name as very long name that can be shortened and used in query by giving the alias name. So how to give that? This helpful when table name is big length and we can shorten the query. So look at the query given. Select star from EMPE. Here E is given as the alias name. E is given as the alias name and D is given as the alias name. E is the alias name for employee table and D is the alias name for the department table. Instead of using EMP, we can use E itself. It is more enough for further use of the same table in the same query. So, while we are giving the condition E dot department number, in the previous query, look at, we have to give the complete table name, that is EMP dot DEPT-NO. Here we didn't specify any alias name. But in this query, we had specified alias name for employee as well as alias name for department, so that we can use alias names for tables as we are used in columns. So it will show the output like this. My dear children, I think you are all clear about what is EQ join. EQ join is nothing but while we are selecting tables, we can check the equality for a common column. And one more thing, here we are having two tables. Which one is master table? Master table is department. Why? Because department number is the primary key of DEPT table. This department number only we fetched into EMP. So, this department number is called a foreign key. That is, the department number in employee table is a foreign key, whereas department number in department table is a primary key. So, DEPT is a master table and employee is the child table, even it is having a long data. My dear children, I think you are all clear about what is EQ join. That is the second type. If you want to relate two tables, we can use EQ join also. Thank you.